Are you also running a baking class? Then this video is definitely for you, because today we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your baking class business. So as an owner of a baking class, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries from students as well as their parents related to the fee structure of the classes, the list of the class, duration, etc. Handling each of the inquiry manually is a time-consuming process. Also, some of the inquiries get missed. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business without any coding and programming skills, which is going to handle entire WhatsApp inquiries of my business, as well as it is going to handle and automate the responses 24/7. Now, for your business, if you also want to learn the amazing process of creating this WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for baking class business. So here, as an owner of a baking class, as I told you, I was receiving multiple inquiries from my customers, students, or the parents of the students regarding the class duration, the fee structure, the list of the classes, the timings, etc. Handling each of these inquiries manually was time-consuming and confusing task. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot that I am going to create without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to create amazing chatbots for our businesses, which is going to handle our customer and lead inquiries 24/7. All right. Before moving forward towards learning the full process of how to create this WhatsApp chatbot, I will first of all show you that how this chatbot is actually going to work. So this is the flow which I have prepared, on the basis of which my bot is going to actually work. So now I'm going to show you that how this flow is actually going to work. So when I'm going to receive certain messages from my customers along with some of the keywords which I've entered in this flow, the bot will automatically start responding to the messages of those customers. So here I'm going to show you an example. As a customer, as a student, let's say I'm going to send a message on the WhatsApp number of my baking class. I want to join the baking class. As I've sent the message, I got an instant reply. Hi, welcome to Batter and Bliss baking classes. Before we begin, may I know your name? Let me provide a name, let's say over here as Best Student. As I've provided a random name, here it got my name and it is saying, thanks best student, how can I help you today? Automatically it is addressing me with my name. I have also got some of the buttons over here as options which I can easily click, let's say upcoming schedule. And I got the upcoming schedule details. Cake decorating Saturday 11 AM, sourdough basics cookies. When I'm going to click on register now, here it is providing me the link to register where I can make the payment and register myself. If I do not want to make the registration currently, I can just go back towards the menu again. And here it is providing me the menu. When I'm going to click on class list, when I want to view the class list, I got the list of the class. And here if I want to register for these classes, I can also click on register now. And if I want to click on check schedule, so here I got the schedule. So in this way our flow will work and the bot will start responding to the customers as soon as keywords will be received in the messages. So now let's start learning how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for baking classes ourselves. To start with the process, in a new tab we have to type in our browser pabbly.com/chatflow. This is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user just like me, click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you can create multiple chatbots. You will get 100 free tasks in order to explore this amazing software and to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. Now we are on the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create the WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It is going to now take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can manage the credits which are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, the credits that are remaining, and much more. You can add your WhatsApp number simply by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button. Here, in order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you have to add your WhatsApp number. For that, you have to enter Meta access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and the folder in which you want to save this number. To create the setup, first of all, you have to create your WhatsApp Cloud API account, and when you will do that, you will receive all these details which you have to enter over here. If you want to learn how to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account and how to generate the access token, for that we have already created the video. It is uploaded on our YouTube channel as well. From here as well, you can just watch the video. My Pabbly Chatflow account is already created, so now I'm going to move forward. Apart from creating flows and chatbots inside Pabbly Chatflow, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow as well. So you can see we have multiple amazing features. One by one, I'm going to explain all of them to you in brief. Although we have created separate detailed tutorial for each of these features which are uploaded on our YouTube channel. To learn each of them in detail, you can just go and watch the videos from our YouTube channel. But here let's discuss all these features in brief. So first of all, we have inbox. So with the help of inbox feature of Pabbly Chatflow, you can manage all your sent as well as received messages from your customers, leads, contacts, anyone. And also apart from this, you can check the status of your sent messages, whether it is sent, delivered or read by your customers. So if you're using Pabbly Chatflow for your WhatsApp automation, you do not have to open your WhatsApp web account or your WhatsApp account again and again. You can simply check all your received as well as sent messages at the same place. Then we have the contact section, by using which you can create separate list of contacts related to different requirements and preferences of your customers, leads, etc. And on the basis of these separate lists, you can send different messages to different lists in the separate and the personalized format. Then we have the team queue section, by using which you can assign chats to your team members with the help of round robin method. Also, you can check and track the performance of your team members, whether they are replying promptly to your customers or leads or no. And also in this way, you will be able to collaborate with your team effectively and efficiently. Then we have the templates section, where we can create customized and creative templates to be sent to our customers, leads, employees or anyone on the basis of different requirements, with the help of variables to customize the templates, also along with media, files, documents, etc. Then we have the broadcast section, by using which we can send mass messages to huge list of customers, that too in the personalized format with the help of creative templates. Then finally we have the flow section, where we can create amazing chatbots for our business. So today, as you know, we are going to create the WhatsApp chatbot for our baking class. So let's get started. To start with the process, we have to go towards this add flow button. We are going to create a flow. So on the basis of flow only, the WhatsApp chatbot is actually going to work. It is based truly upon flow. Flow is going to decide what message should be sent to the customers or the lead next on the basis of their response. So here we are going to create the chatbot on the basis of the flow. Let's first of all provide a name to the flow. Let's say as... So here, let's say this is the name of my bot, Batter and Bliss Baking Class bot. Batter and Bliss is the name of my baking class. As I have given the name to my bot, now I'm going to start with the flow. So here, first of all, we have to decide when the flow is going to start. So when I'm going to receive certain messages, as I've shown you in the beginning of the video in the real example, that when customers or leads are going to send us some of the messages which contain certain keywords, the keywords will be identified, and on the basis of those keywords, my flow is going to automatically start and bot will start responding. So those keywords I have to decide over here. So I need to identify what kind of keywords I could receive as messages from the students or the parents of the students in the form of conversations or communication on my WhatsApp. So here some of the keywords could be hello. They can send me hello in order to start the communication. If you are entering the keyword, you have to enter the word. You have to click on enter. The word will turn to blue and it will be then added as your keyword. Or let's say hi, or let's say hey, or class, time, duration, all right. Then we could have baking or cake, etc. So these are some of the keywords which I could receive. We can have multiple possibilities of receiving the keywords, but here might be possible that when we are receiving the messages from our customers in the form of inquiry, they are not sending just direct keywords to us. They could send the messages in the form of long text, paragraphs, etc. So we have to identify the keywords from those paragraphs or long text as well. Otherwise, the flow is not going to start then. Therefore, here in that case, we are going to enter the keywords in the form of regex. Regex is actually regular expressions which helps us to identify the keywords and the dynamic variations which we are receiving through different type of messages from our customers or leads. So if we are receiving new messages from our customers in the form of long text or paragraphs, when we are going to enter the keywords in the form of regex, then automatically those keywords are going to be matched and the flow will get start automatically. So in order to enter the keywords inside regex format, you have to follow this format which I am going to tell you. So you will have to enter /b, you will open the bracket and you will start entering all the keywords which you have decided. Okay, so the keywords are, you have to separate the keywords with this bar sign, hi, hey, cake, it could be class, duration, it could be schedule, fees, or it could be time. And in the similar manner, we can have multiple keywords. When you will complete adding all the keywords, you will simply close the bracket. You will enter /b again. And here your regex is ready. Now, if you're receiving any of the keyword which is in the case sensitive format, you can also toggle this button right. Okay. As we have completed the flow, now every time we are going to receive the messages from the customers or from the students or parents, and the keywords will be matched from those messages, automatically the flow will start and bot will start responding. Now, first of all, as soon as I'm going to receive a keyword from my customer, then I want to ask them their name, so that further I will be able to communicate with them by addressing them with their name. So to address them with their name, I will have to ask their name. So here I'm going to ask their name with the help of a question. Therefore, I'm going to drag the ask question like this, and here I'm going to simply connect my flow with the ask question step. Now, the question which I want to ask to my customers will be, "Hi, welcome to Batter and Bliss baking class. Before we begin, may I know your name?" And here, because I want to collect the replies from my customers along with their name, so here I'm going to select full name from contact custom field. As I have selected full name from contact custom field, when the customers are going to send us the reply with their name will automatically be added in the contact custom field of Pabbly Chatflow. They will be added as contact, and now further we will be able to communicate to them automatically along with their name. So here the format will be text. Here we can also enter the number of reattempts which we want to provide to our customers if in case they want to make any change. And also here we can send a validation message along with a reattempt. I do not want to provide them the reattempt, so here I'm going to ignore this field. Further, as they are going to reply me with their name, I'm going to provide them the options that how can I help them today. So to provide them the options, here I'm going to select the type of the messages text plus button, as here I'm going to send them a message along with some buttons to provide them the options. So the message will be, "Thanks, full name." Here you can see that I have used the name of my contact custom field full name in the same format along with a $sign. I have used this $sign to make this detail dynamic and variable. So every time when I'm going to receive a new customer's message, when they are going to reply me with their name, as I have used the next message in the bot along with a $sign and the full name custom field, so automatically the name is going to be replaced, and in this way in the customized format, I will be able to send the messages to my customers with their own name. Okay, now here I'm going to attach some buttons what they would like to explore. So first of all, the button will be to view class list. If in case the customers or the students want to look for the list which we have of the class, then the second button is of check pricing, whether they want to look for the pricing of each of the class. Then here we have upcoming schedule. What are the upcoming schedules of the classes? For each of these three buttons, then I'm going to provide each of the message. So the first message will be for view class list. If the student is going to select the button view class list, so in that case I'm going to provide them the list of my class, and I already have a pamphlet of the class, so I'm going to send it in the media format. So I'm going to select media, and here the media type is image. If you are sending any video, document or audio, you can also select that. Then here if you want to attach the media in the form of URL, you can just insert the URL over here. If you want to drag it down directly from your computer or upload directly from the computer, you can select this option. So I'm going to upload the image of the class list directly from my computer. So here I have inserted the list of the classes which I'm conducting related to baking, and here I'm going to enter the caption as want to check the schedule or register. So here I have entered the caption along with this class list, and I'm going to attach two buttons. First button will be register now, and the second button over here will be to check schedule. So here first of all, if the student is going to select register now, I'm going to send them the details for that, and the details are, we'll contact you soon with confirmation. Here's the link to confirm your registration and make payment. And here I've also provided a link through which they can just register for the class by making the payment. Okay, if they do not want to make the payment directly, I'm going to attach the button go back. Okay, if they do not want to make the payment directly, they want to go back, so I'm going to simply attach the button go back, and I'm going to connect this button with the menu option. This is the message if they want to click on the button register now. Again, if they want to select check schedule, in that case I'm going to provide them the upcoming schedules. We also have the third option upcoming schedule over here, so we'll connect both the buttons with each other. So here the message will be, so the upcoming classes are cake decorating Saturday, sourdough basics Sunday, and for cookies Friday 5 p.m. Want to register for one? Again, I'm going to attach the button as register now. Alright, and if they are going to click on this button register now, I'm going to send them the link again. So here we have completed the flow for the first option. Now we are going to simply click on save. Keep saving your flow to make it updated. Now here we have the second option of check pricing. If they want to check for the price of each class. So in that case, I'm going to send them the message as our class prices. So beginners cake decorating is $14.99, sourdough bread basics, then we have cookie masterclass, cupcake and frosting. You can register anytime. Again, I'm going to provide them the link for register now. And here I'm going to connect this link again with the message which I'm sending to register. Okay. Now, if in case the customer is going to select upcoming schedule, so I'm going to send them this message. Alright, so here we have completed the flow. Now we are going to test whether it is working fine or not. What we have done, first of all, we have selected the flow start regarding some of the keywords. As soon as we are going to receive keywords from the customers, flow is going to start automatically. It is going to send them a message asking them their name. Further, we will automatically communicate to the customers along with their name, and we are going to provide them the options. According to each of the options which they are going to select, we are going to then send the message accordingly. So we have saved the flow. I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the flow is working fine or not, whether the bot is responding to us or no. So let's say as a new student, I'm going to send a message on my baking class WhatsApp number as, hello, what is the duration of class? Duration is the keyword which we have applied. So as soon as I have sent a message over here, you can see I got a reply. Hi, welcome to Batter and Bliss baking class. Before we begin, may I know your name? So let me provide a name over here as a student. Let's say new student. As I have provided the name, now I got a reply instantly along with my name which I have entered. Thanks new student, how can I help you today? View class list, check pricing, upcoming schedule. Let me click on this button, view class list. As I have done that, you can see that I got a reply instantly along with the class list. Want to check the schedule or register? If I want to check the schedule, I can click on this button. If I want to register, when I'm going to click on register now, I got the link to register. When I'm going to click on go back, it is taking me to the options again. When I'm going to click on upcoming schedule, it has provided me automatically the schedules. When I'm going to click on register now, here we have got the link again. So in this way, our flow is actually going to work. So in the similar manner, you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot to handle all your WhatsApp inquiries related to your baking class. Effortlessly, you can manage your baking class inquiries, handle the customers' questions, follow up the responses, and much more. I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. So go and try it now for free today.